So the forecasts we see today are useful for public interest, but they're not really optimal for photography purposes. Getting your forecasts from windy.com can be a big game changer for photographers. You get useful graphical information from the world's leading models. In this 4-part webinar, I'm going to demonstrate the features that matter most in forecasting favorable light for outdoor photography. Learning a little meteorology and cloud types will help you get the most from Windy and help you capture colorful sunrises and sunsets and dramatic light at your favorite locations.